In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to assemble the Jansno X50 electric bike on your own, and along the way, I'll share some practical tips to make your life easier before you even power up the motor for the first time. We'll start with what actually arrives in the box, a mini motorcycle style e-bike that's partially pre-assembled, but with the front wheel, handlebars, pedals, and its signature bench style saddle detached. That seat in particular needs to be bolted down firmly. I'll walk you through exactly how to properly install the handlebars, mount the lights, align the wheel, and unlock the bike for use. Even though the manufacturer skipped the printed assembly manual, you can get everything done in under an hour with a basic set of tools. The biggest surprise for me? The missing nuts needed to attach that massive saddle. I had to grab those from a hardware store. This model features a 750-watt nominal motor with 60 Nm of torque, but in the version made for the EU market, the power is factory limited. The throttle is removed, speed is capped at 25 km/h, and stickers say 250 watts. Luckily, I'll show you how to safely reconnect the throttle and remove the speed limiter, allowing the bike to reach well beyond the standard 25 km/h. As for power, the bike has a removable 48V/14 Ah battery located in the center of the frame. Full charging takes about 6 hours, and the manufacturer boldly claims a range of up to 130 kilometers. In reality, considering the battery capacity and 43 kilograms total weight, I'd expect more like a maximum of 60 kilometers. I'll verify those numbers for you in the full review. The brakes are mechanical Shimano disc brakes with a power cutoff sensor on the rear lever. Up front, you'll find a standard coil suspension fork, and there's also a rear shock built into the frame. The wheels are equipped with 20-inch 4-inch wide fat tires with puncture-resistant inserts, so you can ride over sand, snow, or wet stones with confidence. Electronics are managed by a color LCD display, which wakes up either by entering a PIN code or tapping one of the 2 NFC cards included in the box. The screen shows 7 assist levels, speed, distance, and battery voltage, everything you need to plan your ride effectively. The X50 can carry up to 150 kilograms, but because of the low-mounted, non-adjustable seat, it's best suited for riders between 160 and 170 centimeters tall. Taller cyclists may feel their knees come up too high when pedaling. The whole bike weighs 43 kilograms, so you'll probably want a second pair of hands if you need to carry it up the stairs. But in return, you get a powerful front LED headlight, sequential turn signals, and a rear brake light. In short, full road legal lighting powered from the main battery. The pedal assist is based on a classic cadence sensor. Assembly wasn't too difficult, as long as you have a bit of patience. In the video, you'll see how I put together every part step by step. If you'd like to see how the Jansno X50 performs in action, check the video description for a playlist with short test rides and a link to the store. A full review with pros and cons of one of the cheapest fat e-bikes I've ever tested is coming soon to the channel. Grab your helmet, make yourself a cup of coffee, and join me. We're starting the build from the first to the very last bolt.